How do I know what level my child is at? One of the interesting things about homeschooling is the way children learn. In school, everyone is taught the exact same thing at the exact same time. If the students don't study additional material outside of school hours, then we can easily determine what grade level a child is at. But what about your children? Do they enjoy reading? Are you open to allowing them to learn new things outside of the homeschool hours? If you answered yes, then you'll find a very interesting thing happens. Your child will be at a different grade level for different subjects. I've heard the stories from so many parents who, while they were out with their kids, people would ask the homeschool kid, "What grade are you in?" And the child would either stare at them because they don't know, or they have no real clue, or they riddle off a slew of grade levels they're at in the different subject areas. And guess what? It's okay. It really is. All it means is that your child is learning on their own and growing. I mean, think about it. How natural is it to know the exact level of content for all subject areas throughout your life? As an adult, don't you know more about one subject area than others? And that makes life remarkably interesting. My son, for example, loves history. He may be at a high school level for history because he indulges in reading history during his pastimes, but he may be at a primary school level for math. And it's because children are learning, and you want to encourage that during homeschooling. So if you're just getting started homeschooling your child, do take that into consideration. You may need to assess your child's grade level on a subject-by-subject basis. For each of the curricula you decide to use or follow, there are usually syllabuses available with a list of topics each grade level must cover. You can take a look at that and compare it to what your kids know. Usually there are placement tests for certain subject curricula. For example, our primary school math curriculum has been Saxon Maths. Each grade level has a placement test, and I can use that to determine if my kids are ready for the next level in their program. The same should apply for many other programs out there. If you're still not sure, then see if you can get a copy of one of the final quizzes or the final exam papers available in the teaching material. Administer the test to your kid, see how well the child does. If he struggles a lot, then start at that level. If none of that works, get a hold of the curriculum outline for that subject or table of contents that you can take a look at and then compare it to what your kids know. Then choose a level. Don't stress out about it. If your child is working at it really quickly, then move ahead quickly, or skip that level and then jump to the next level. Before committed to buying a book you can't use, maybe you can borrow a copy of the book from another parent in order to browse through it, or find the table of contents for a book online, maybe at Amazon.